Yes, they will.
It's like, who's this blonde Amazon? Amazonian.
Oh, wow.
Because it is
It's
not the right color and there's nothing done to it.
First of all,
She looks like Nicki Minaj.
you look like
No, I look
No, Nicki Minaj.
great. Once I get
you look like
a side part, go in the side part, go in the side part. Ever so
Nicki Minaj.
fantastic.
I'm so
Hey, you're in all my video.
Who?
All of you. So you're gonna be all in the background.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're doing
Cut
it.
right here.
Stop from the beginning.
No. No. Today we will be with your hair. Sienna. Okay.
So beautiful. This morning.
What do we have here?
And Arasia, make sure you help her do her hair tomorrow. Don't let her go out with no hair like that.
Where are we going? Is it for me and for you?
Can you shut up? I'm gonna hurry up and do this because everyone in this house keeps talking. Can't do a video and everyone keeps talking. This is warm water. A cup of warm water. Next we have cut. There's gonna be a lot of editing. Now you can't see me. Rit. Stay still. Rit dye in royal purple. Yeah, new bottle. Have a little bit less than half a bottle of alcohol. Every time you try to record a video, this is when people need to make noise. This is when people make noise.
What's that you're opening?
Chips. It started.
It's over.
Is he younger than Polo?
He turned 12.
Oh, I don't know.
I
I think so.
No, she didn't. No, that's not a count. This is exactly about to happen.
E.
No, honey. Just do it. That's a lot. That was really dark purple.
It's not gonna be.
Just putting Rachel bleach your hair.
Sounds like I'm good.
That's how my pea sounds. Are we rolling? That's not how my pea sounds.
Moment of truth. All right, I'm nervous. I do not know how this is going to wash out. I hope this washes out. This is scary looking.
Wait, that looks good. Why are you crying? Getting wet is synthetic wig. How you do?
All right, after rounds of dish soap, dish detergent, and hot water and Downy, lots of Downy. And this is just our old hair towel. This is the color we have. Hope it looks better when it's dry. I hope it looks better when it's dry.
Oh,